Hello everybody, today we make a chicken Valdostana. Now the flour already, I got salt and black pepper. And I mix like this. Now we start with the chicken. And I put a little salt each side. And we use black pepper. Okay, now we turn the chicken and we put on the other side like this. And we do the same like I did on this side. Now it's time to put the chicken both sides flour. We pack a little bit. I want it to be nice, the flour like that. And we take out and I put it back over here. And we do the same the rest of the chicken. And the chicken ready to go on the stove now. Let's start to pour a little oil. I want to pick up one piece of butter. Okay, now the butter it's melted, it's nice. And we start for the rest of the chicken. And we start make a nice, beautiful color. Now make sure the gas it's not too high. I put on medium. Okay, you know on the bone of the chicken, I wanted the chicken to come out really beautiful. Okay, now we turn on the other side. Okay, beautiful. And we leave it stay the same nice color like I got on this side. Okay, now this is both sides done, and now I want to take it out. I put it right over here on this dish. Look how beautiful it looks. And now we make the sauce. And I want to put a piece of butter, the melt. And we use a little flour. I raise the gas a little bit. That's enough. The flour, the butter. We use a little white wine. You see, it make a little thicker. And now we got the chicken stock. Good. And now we put the chicken back. Alright, and now we leave it cook a little bit the chicken with the chicken stock and with the wine. Okay, now this is ready. And we're ready to put the prosciutto, one slice prosciutto on the top of each piece. And we do like this. And 2 pieces the fontina, each one. Do a little bit more fast, I want to show it everybody. Prosciutto crudo e fontina. Now we cover and one of the fontina, it's a melt. The chicken Valdostana be ready. 1, 2, and 3. The melt, the fontina. Okay, my Valdostana ready to go. And now, turn the gas off. I want to show everybody my chicken Valdostana. 1, 2, 3. Barabap! And look how nice it looks, this chicken. It's a time to taste. Prosciutto crudo. This is a really good prosciutto. Really good. Salute e cincin everybody. A salute.